all of you. Poultry refers to several kinds of domesticated birds that are used as food. Examples are chicken, turkey, ducks, pigeon, and also quail. The most common and very easy to prepare poultry is chicken. That is why I decided to prepare this recipe for you. And the recipe name is Pinaupong Manok a la Bulacan, or the Bulacan way of cooking pinaupong. For our ingredients, we have 1 whole chicken, about 1 kilo in weight. We have calamansi juice. We also have 1/4 cup of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of monosodium glutamate or MSG. And we have at least 3 to 4 strands of lemongrass or samlan. Next, we have tamarind leaves or dahon ng sampalok. We have here salt. So for our procedure, our first step, have to marinate chicken with 1/4 cup of calamansi juice and another 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Lastly, we have MSG for the seasoning. You have to rub it. You have to marinate it for 1 hour. While we're waiting for the marinated chicken, we're now ready to prepare our tamarind leaves. So you have to clean the leaves first and then rub it with salt. And then we are now ready to prepare our pinaupong manok in our casserole. So half of the tamarind leaves will be at the bottom. And then next we will put our chicken. Put the lemongrass inside the chicken. Since it is pinaupong, it should be in sitting position like this. The remaining tamarind leaves will be put on the top of the chicken. So this is it. So we have now our pinaupong manok a la Bulacan, and we will cook this for 30 to 45 minutes or until the meat is tender. For our plating and presentation, we'll remove the lemongrass. Put little lemongrass. Tamarind. Just make calamansi juice and soy sauce plus the chili.